Hello and welcome back to another video. This weekend I'm back at Dingerman for GRIDLIFE Midwest Fest. It's been a while since I've been to a festival, so this should be a fun one. But originally I wasn't even planning on coming to this event. I didn't buy tickets or anything, but I ended up winning tickets from FCP Euro, so that was awesome. I'll go find them in the paddock somewhere this weekend, say thanks to them, take them out. And I also did not bring the car. I'm in the van this weekend, so no driving. So that sucks. Feels weird being here without driving. So I'm just here to hang out and support the rest of the PhD. Should be a fun weekend.
Is it fixed?
What?
Is it fixed?
Yes. It makes boost stuff. Please let me go ahead of you. You know I'm gonna run faster than you.
Yeah, because we know that without his Supra, he's not gonna go fast.
that is it for this weekend. Even though I didn't drive, I had a good time. I did get to go on a bunch of ride-alongs. They were doing something new this weekend. It's kind of a drift slash track day mix on the track. So that was cool, a lot of fun. I was trying to jump in a drift car, but I never had the chance. But I did get to drive in a Fit, an Evo, Jerry's, Supra. So it's still cool, still fun. So if you come out to one of these events and then they're doing that, bring a helmet and jump in somebody else's car. But I gotta finish packing. I got a long drive back home because I gotta work tomorrow. But thanks for watching and peace.